Hey guys, John here. Sad and happy day today. So we're taking the Tacoma to its new buyer. Yes, it's sold, staying in Florida. So we're driving to meet this new buyer. I was a nice guy. We're not meeting halfway. It's a little more in my favor of the way that we're meeting, but they're in like Central Florida area and I am in the Florida Panhandle. So we're driving a little bit to meet for this vehicle. So deal's all done. We're getting rid of the Tacoma, but I could not be happier because the new project, already getting parts for it, emails have been sent off, and it's a couple weeks away, I hope. And my wife's in front of me in the Tundra. Take me back home, look how thick it is. Well, and just like that, driving away from the Tacoma and it's gone. It's sold. Fun fact, saw 3 Voodoo Blues salt in the wound on the drive home. If you guys are wondering, well, cool, Tacoma's gone. What is the next build for the channel? So shameless plug, if you guys wanna know what it is, members of this channel, they already know what it is. Now, I don't expect any subscribers or any people watching this to pay money for content. YouTube is free. If you just wanna be here for free videos, hey, all on you. But I have 4 tiers for you guys. Simplest one, $1. $1. SR5 tier, you could pay $1 to help a Toyota addict in this whole YouTube journey of his, all the way up to TRD Pro. So we got kind of a play on the 4Runner trim levels, SR5, TRD Off-Road, Limited, and then TRD Pro. Those are the 4 levels over on YouTube. And then Instagram as well. I get to show behind the scenes reels over there too. Only $1 over on Instagram too. So again, you guys do not have to be members, but if you want to, it's right below the video when you guys are watching it. Simple dollar all the way up to, I think it's like $6.99 TRD Pro prices, right? So just had to do that if you guys want to be members. If you guys know what it is, shh, quiet, because you guys are the awesome ones, but I will give you a hint. This shirt is kind of a little bit of a hint, and it is a vehicle that has actually been on the channel before. Like the actual type of vehicle that it is, the color that it is, the model that it is, has been on the channel before, and it is not the Sequoia. So there's the hints for you guys for it, and all the parts are starting to get lined up, man. Emailed a bunch of different companies that we've worked with in the past, got all the parts ready, and the vehicle, we are essentially just waiting on some logistics, waiting for the vehicle and me to get lined up with each other, fly out, go get the vehicle, road trip it back down to my house. Parts should start showing up. The suspension is actually already on its way. So suspension, wheels, tires, armor for it, tons of stuff coming for this build. And it's gonna be a relatively fast-ish build, but it'll stay stock for probably a month or so, maybe a little bit less. And then we're gonna start throwing the stuff on it, maybe add some things here and there in the beginning too. Just some quick little things. Hey, you first bought this vehicle. These are the essential mods. Drive it around for a little bit and then just go crazy with it. So that is the build plan. I will get more in depth when the actual vehicle comes for you guys. So let me know down in the comment section what you hope that vehicle is. So Tacoma is gone. Let's get back to that. It was essentially on the market for 5 days. I asked $48,500. If you guys did not see that video of me talking about the vehicles, essentially it was a MSRP vehicle of around 41, 42 brand new. I got it for a bit cheaper than that, but we put close to $10,000 in mods on it. So with the market the way that it was, I asked for $48,500. I did not get $48,500, but within 5 days, I had a very serious buyer from Central Florida. So it's still a Florida truck, but I had a very serious buyer, went to his bank, cashier's check, his loan paid off my loan, like all the legit stuff. And if you're ever negotiating and doing deals and stuff like that, you kind of realize that your first offer is most likely the best offer you'll get. And I did not want to wait any later. Like, yeah, it was a couple $1,000s lower than where I like really wanted to be with the truck, but it was still a good number, like for him, for me wanting to be very fair with the truck, and for me too to be happy with like the profit that I made. So very fair with the buyer. I was fair with the price too, that, you know, money that gets to go back into the channel, which is very cool. And also the truck gets to stay in Florida. Him and his wife did a quick little test drive. They love it. The guy is now a watcher of the channel, which is very cool too, because I sent him off a YouTube video of the truck itself. He's like, holy crap, I watched this a couple days ago. So he didn't like put 2 and 2 together that truck was the one on the YouTube channel. So it's a very cool feeling. I hope he's really happy with it. Gonna miss the Tacoma, but it was such a great truck while we had it on the channel. But next year, hopefully we have a new Tacoma coming out in the 4th gen. Again, guys, if you want to be members of the content that I provide for you guys, like, go ahead, that's awesome. If not, I'm gonna keep banging out the videos for you guys, the ones that come back and watch and like the videos every single time. I truly do appreciate you guys, and I will catch you in the next video. All right, see you later.